Today we have this Hitage HB 687 Plus, and it is one of the most premium uh, earphone. And if you want to buy this, then just click the link below. And today in this video we are going to unbox it, and I'm going to tell you everything about this earphone. So keep watching. If you are new here, then you already know what you have to do. Subscribe, okay, and tap on the bell icon so you don't miss the new video. And now let's unbox this Hitage HB 687. The name is a little bit long, but it's very premium. Let's begin. So guys, before I unbox it, first let's talk about the packing and some performance parameter of this Hitage HB 687 Plus. So the packing is totally premium, and you can also hold your earphone on the wall using this thing, and you can see the packing is totally premium. Its look is totally premium. And we also have some performance parameters written over here. First thing we have is speaker diameter is not 100, 10 mm, and we have frequency range is 18 to 20,000 gigahertz, and we have the wide length of this earphone is 130 centimeters, so it's very great. If you want to buy this, click the link. And now let's unbox this earphone. So first thing that I'm going to do is open the box. Let's open it, and we have this thing. We can use this thing to hold the earphone on the wall. Then put it over here, and then inside of this box, first thing that we have, is this. Okay, this is the box. There's nothing inside of this box. You can see, put it over here, and this is the main thing. We have this earphone, so it is very premium. You can see that. And okay, this is the box, and here we have this earphone. It's very premium, and you can see over here we have this microphone over here, and this very premium earphone. If you want to buy this, tap my link, and you can see. And there's nothing inside of this box right now. And we also have this clip. We can hold our earphone on the wall. Now it's time to test this earphone. How's the sound quality, and how's the microphone? So let's test it. So guys, first thing that we are going to test is this microphone. So to test it, I'm going to plug this in my phone, then I'm going to record this video. And right now guys, I'm recording this video with this Apple's earphone. So this is the sound quality of this Apple's earphone, and then I'm gonna plug this thing right now. Okay, so guys, right now I'm recording with this Hitage HB 687 Plus, and you can see the sound difference between this Apple's earphone and this Hitage 687 Plus. So tell me in the comment, what is the difference between this Apple's earphone and this Hitage. So I think it's very premium. You can see the difference, and it also filters the background sound. So if you want to start your YouTube channel, then you can buy this as a mic and record your voice. And I also bought this to record video on YouTube. And also, believe me that this speakers are also very good. And that was it for this video. I'm not going to show you the speakers because you have to believe me, it is fantastic. And also the microphone is fantastic. Right now you can see the sound quality. And just go and tap my link to buy this. And I'm not lying, speakers are also very good and high premium quality. Okay guys, tap my link to buy this Hitage 687 Plus, and I'll see you next time. And that's it. See you soon. Bye bye. And I'm gonna record my next video with this earphone. So see you soon. Peace.